Cookies Rosie. Now I am a big really fan of you, and I subscribe to your videos all the time, and I write a letter to you. So thank you for stopping by. I think my noise is not that good. Now this is what I wrote. Oops. Dear Cookies Rosie, I am so a big fan of you, and I subscribe all of your videos because it's awesome. Here goes Cookies Rosie. And I hope you like my wingy wings, and I got my little pony, and I'll show you later because I am so a big fan of you. Sorry, because that was kind of a bleep. Now, if you smell it, it will smell like chocolate chip, only the black one. Now I so am a big fan of you. Please, 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 please give me something. Because I'm a big fan of you. I subscribe your videos every time. As you need it, I so love your videos. And this is what I needed. I also copy what I needed for your videos. Videos give me interesting looks, so I colored one of my little OPSs. Thank you so much, Cookie Rosie. Of course, I forgot your channel, and then yeah. So thank you. Bye.